Walawa National Park is renowned for its majestic elephants, including the impressive male specimens. These magnificent creatures, with their enormous size and tusks, attract visitors from all over the world.
Mostly they use them like attraction, no?
Observing a big male elephant in its natural habitat is an awe-inspiring experience. With their dominant presence and powerful demeanor, they command respect and admiration. Uda Walawa National Park provides a sanctuary for these magnificent creatures,
In Sri Lanka also we have
offering a glimpse into their lives and behaviors. It's a privilege to witness these gentle giants roaming freely, grazing on vegetation or engaging in social interactions.
they sometimes they can't control the elephant.
The park's conservation efforts contribute to the preservation of these iconic elephants for future generations to appreciate generations. To appreciate.
Doing whatever
Yeah,
they
but
do
it's
and
also not good.
it is not,
But they should be like this.